choreographed by John Robinson. It is a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Switchblade. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to do what is listed on the step sheet as a syncopated vine. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, bring the ball of your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot to the left side. Bring the ball of your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. Bring the ball of your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. Bring the ball of your right foot in and behind your left, and step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a vine half turn with a hitch. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left foot behind your right. This is where you're going to start your turn. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and then a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you hitch your left knee up, and then you're going to clap your hands twice. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're stepping your left foot to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. We're going to quickly step our left next to our right, and you're going to point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right, point your right toe to the right side, hit your right knee up, and then touch your right toe to the right side. You're now going to swivel slightly to the right on the balls of both feet, and then you're going to swivel back over your left shoulder, making a quarter turn over that left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You'll now be facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do a body roll. So we're going to start with our head and our shoulders. You're going to roll forward, recover back, and sit. Weights on your right foot to end that section. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just hitched and clapped. We're stepping. So it's and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do rocks in place. So let's talk about the footwork first. You're going to come onto your left foot and you're going to pop your right knee up. You're going to step back onto your right and pop your left knee up. Step down onto your left, pop your right knee up. Step down onto your right and pop your left knee up. So you're just going to rock back and forth. Now there are hand motions that come with that. So when we're doing the motion with our left foot, you're going to have your palms out, facing towards your face with your left hand, and your right palm will be facing back. When you're doing it with your left, you're going to do punches. So when we come up onto our left foot and your right knee pops, you're going to do your palm forward. You're going to slightly lean into it. Now when you go back onto your right hand's going to come forward and your left hand is going to go back into fists. And then we're going to repeat that, palm forward and then your fist back. From here, you're going to quickly step your left next to your right, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side, and you're going to touch your left toe behind your right. As you do that, your hands are going to come and you're going to snap behind. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot and touching our right toe behind our left, and you're going to snap your fingers behind. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just rolled and sit facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do toe touches forward. You're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, step your right next to your left, and touch your left toe stepping forward. Now you're going to step your left next to your right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, placing your right heel forward. You're going to step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right. You're going to do a big step forward with your right foot. There are hand motions that go with this. We're going to do the feet first, and then we'll add on the hand motions. So you're going to do a big step forward with your right, and you're going to touch your left next to your right. To end the dance, you're going to sweep your left foot around and behind your right foot, and then you'll be ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's talk about the hand motions. What the hand motions are going to do are going to mimic your step forward. So when you step forward with your right foot, you're going to bring your right fist up with your palm facing you. You're then going to take your left hand as you touch. It's going to grab, palm facing your arm, grab your right hand. You're now going to touch your left next to your right, and you're going to slightly pull your arm down. As you sweep your left toe around, you're going to bring your arm out to the side, and it's going to follow your toe around. And as you come to the back, you're going to flick your hands out to the side, fingers out, pointing down towards the floor like across your body with your toe. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our tap behind with our snap. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your toes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's practice the front all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts, and then I'll tell you about some extra styling that you can add that's not necessarily listed on the step sheet, but John adds while he dances it. Weight is on your right foot. We're going to start with our step ball behind, traveling to the left. So you're going to go step, ball, step, ball, step, ball, step. Grapevine, half turn, hitch, double clap. Step, point, step, point, step, point, hitch, point, twist, quarter turn, body roll with a sit. Now you're doing your rocks. Palm forward, fist, back, palm forward, fist, back. Ball, quarter, touch and snap behind. Quarter back, touch and snap behind. Touch, step, touch, quarter, heel step, heel, big step with your fist and grab. Bring it down, across, and sweep around with your flick of your arms. And then you're ready to start the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot. You're stepping that left foot to the side. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, some extra stuff that I know that they dance it now, it's not listed on the step sheet, is when they're doing those side behinds, they like to put their hands up like they're pushing the other person away. Sometimes they'll do both. Sometimes they'll do just one. You can kind of add it in however you feel. You could do it not at all, but it does make it a little fun because you'll go from here and then you'll bring your hand up from your flick behind and it will just come up like you're stopping the person next to you. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen one time in the dance and one time only, and it's only if you are using the Switchblade edit. It's going to happen on the end of wall 5, which will be the 3rd time we're doing the front wall. I'm going to face the front so that you can see it, and then we'll practice it to the back. So we would have just done our sweep around and done this. All we're going to do is point our left toe to the left side, and as we do it, we're going to bring our hands to the left, and then you're going to touch your left toe behind and bring your hands to the right. And then you're going to repeat that. Touch your left toe to the left side, bring your hands to the left, touch your left toe behind your right and flick to the side, and then you'll start the dance all over again. So it's a nice 4-count tag, full counts. So let's practice it to the back with some counts. We would have just touched behind and flicked. So you're going to point that left toe to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would continue the dance from there. And if you would like to bring your hands up, you totally can. So now, let's go around. We're going to do 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice that tag into the next wall. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your step to the side. So step behind, step behind, step behind, step. Grapevine, half turn, hitch, clap, clap, step, point, hitch, point, twist, quarter turn with your body roll, sit. Forward palm, back punch, forward palm, back punch, ball, quarter, touch behind, snap, quarter back, touch behind, snap. Touch and touch, quarter, heel and heel with your big step, fist and grab, touch and bring it down, sweep around and flick, stepping to the side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, step side, side behind, side behind, side behind, side. Grapevine, half turn, hitch, step, point, hitch, point, swivel, quarter turn, body roll with a sit. Palm, fist, ball, quarter, touch and snap, quarter back, touch and snap. Touch, step, quarter, heel step, big step, grab your fist, bring it down, sweep around and flick. Stepping to the side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, step side. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag. Side behind, side behind, side behind, side. Grapevine, half turn, hitch. Ball, point, step, point, hitch, point. Twist, quarter turn, body roll with a sit. Palm, fist, ball, quarter touch and snap. Back, quarter touch and snap. Touch, step, heel, quarter, heel step, big step. Grab, flick around. Now do your tag, point to the side. It's side, behind. Side, start over, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance is going to end facing the front when you make that quarter turn with your touch and snap behind. So you can make it nice and big and do kind of like a Michael Jackson ending if you would like. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial and you've got it all down, skip to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you know how it all happens so you can rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Switchblade. If you have any questions, let me know.